I'm going to go see Mom and Dad at work. Woo! So, no, it's been a while since I've done a vlog, but now I have time to do a vlog instead of the short little trip home and everything, and I get to actually talk instead of blah, 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 and then wrap it up as I'm already parked in my carport. So, the topic today is I don't know, so I'm just going to rant and rave about something. Might as well be honest here. Baby Ruth box. Oh my god, I didn't know people ate Baby Ruths. Anyways, so why I like going to Mom and Dad's work. Not only is it for the ride, although, let's be honest, it's for the ride. Not only is it for the ride, but I get a lot of time to reflect. I get a lot of time to spout out my feelings. I get a lot of time to see assholes. Yeah, that's a big one. But I also get to see my mom and dad. Mostly mom, because dad works more than mom does. What? I like to see my mom at work because it's kind of like seeing her at home. Because like there she is sitting down on her computer or, you know, looking at a screen, and I just get to sit there and comfortably just sit there. And sometimes I get to be able to work too. Like I'll have like homework or something, and then I'll be like, oh yeah, I gotta do this and this. I remember because my mom's working, and la da 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 da. I need to pump it up. I'm like, yeah, mom's working, and I know she's busy, so I'm just gonna try not to bother her, and I'm gonna like read or draw or color and work on my homework if I have any, which I'm fairly certain I don't today. But I take an online class, so I could work at any point in time of day in the year to get that, you know, up. When I have to. And that's just a few reasons why I like going. You know, spouting off random crap like normal. Another thing is that I get to either drive in front or behind of them when they're going home, if I decide to stay that long, or if depending on when I get there. And I'm not really going to talk about ROTC because ROTC is kind of a soft spot for the moment because of a football game cleanup. And I'm just not going to say anything because I don't want any words get back to them. So there are a lot of assholes, as previously stated. I swear if you get over in my lane, I'm going to be... Anyways. Oh, my bad. Anyways, there are a lot of assholes, as previously stated. They don't know how to drive, I personally think that they should retake the driver's test. I mean, there are a lot of cars on the road, but nobody drives. Oh, goddamn. You son of a bitch. Nice, that's a beautiful blinker. Homecoming's coming up, in 2 weeks. And honestly, this is my senior year. I'm gonna have fun with it. I'm gonna go to all of the dances, whether I look like an idiot or not. I'm going to, whether I'm alone or not too. I'm gonna go, I'm gonna have fun. That's another thing, music. Oh my god. Today's music, okay, don't get me wrong. Oh boy, I need to tie my shoe. Don't get me wrong. Okay, I used to listen to, rap, but it used to be rhythmic rap. There was a beat to it. There was like a rhythm. There was kind of slow melody-ish music in it and everything. And Well, now it's just, and I'm like, what's going on? I like rock. I can dance to rock, even if that is headbanging. I mean, most of the rock I listen to is melodic. Crap, I don't know if I'm saying that right. Rhythmic. Has a melody. There you go. Most of the rock music I listen to has a melody to it. You guys really like me doing different noises. Why is that? I mean, yeah, some of them are funny. I'll admit that. When are you turning? Yeah, some of them are funny. I'll admit that, and I like making noises. So like whenever I go here, yeah, I kind of understand why they're funny. But why do you guys like it so much? Like I make those noises a lot, and like I just do that out of no crap, pure instinct. It's like whenever there's like a pothole or something, wow, you just not even looking. Cool, thanks, girl. Noises. It's because I'm like genuinely frightened, but those are the sounds that come out. Like today, I squeaked because I thought someone was gonna throw something at me. I just like, and I jerked back and I flinched, and then nothing came, and I just kind of look at them and they're laughing. They're like, what was that? And I'm like, I don't know. I honestly no idea right now. Oh yeah, I have tape on my legs. Oh, I thought I was gonna stall it for a second. I'm like, whoa, for stalling forever. I didn't see that. That hurt my cooch. I have no idea where I was at. I completely forgot.